Presenting the 2020 Apple iPad Air with A14 Bionic chip. It comes with stunning 27.69 cm, 10.9-inch, silver, space gray, rose gold, green and liquid retina display with True Tone and P3 wide color. It has 12MP back camera, 7MP FaceTime HD front camera. It comes with up to 10 hours of battery life. It also features A14 Bionic chip with neural engine. It comes with wide stereo audio. It supports Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax, and USB-C connector for charging and accessories. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.